This is 1605 Hackberry Lane, unit number 3, located directly across from Monash Park and Central High School, just off 15th Street behind Checkers. This is a row of townhouses. It is the third one as you come in. There is reserved parking for your particular unit. You can see unit 3 there on the sign for 2 parking spots. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and we'll head inside and check it out. All right, as you come inside, the stairs are directly in front of you, lead to the 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs. And then as you come in, you walk into the living room. Nice large bay window type setup. Fireplace, but it is mostly decorative. We have not had it tested or inspected, so we do not recommend using it. Throughout the first floor, there is this ceramic tile with hardwood pattern, so pretty nice, also very durable. Ceiling fan. Over on the side, there is a coat closet type area set up. It's a good little living room. I'll lead to the back to the half bath and the dining area with kitchen. So we have our half bath here. Nice to have a bathroom on the first floor. Good sized little dining room, chandelier, pass through from the peninsula with the stove and oven and microwave. The appliances you see here are included. Good bit of cabinet space. Plenty of countertop space. The back door does lead out to a small little patio. Not very large, but large enough to put like a little small grill or something of that nature. There is a storage room out there. Has a water heater in it, but still some outdoor storage as well. Off the kitchen is the laundry room. Good sized laundry room with shelves for storage. Washer and dryer are provided. All right, and again the dining room area. Back to the living room and the half bath, and we will head upstairs. All right, as we come upstairs, there's a bedroom on the front. And also a bedroom in the back. We'll check out first. There's a mechanical closet here with your air conditioner. So we come into the back bedroom. I feel like it is a little bit larger than the front bedroom. 2 big windows on the back. The whole upstairs does have newer carpet throughout, in good shape. Tell there's 2 double closets, so good bit of storage in here. Fan. All right, and then again there's 2 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bathroom, so they do share a bath. So good sized vanity, cabinets with drawers and cabinet doors. Also a linen closet there. You can see the second bedroom. And then there's a pocket door here on our right that divides the tub shower area and the toilet. We'll go ahead through here to the second bedroom. Again, 2 nice large windows on the front of the unit. You do have a walk-in closet for this bedroom. Double hanging on the right, taller single hanging on the left. And then there's also a double closet over there, so lots of closet space. And a ceiling fan and carpet throughout. So again, this is 1605 Hackberry Lane, Unit 3, offered for lease by Druid City Properties. You can get more information on our website at TuscaloosaPropertyManagement.com.